In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam disk write error. The first method is to run Steam as an administrator. Open Windows search bar and search for Steam. Right-click on Steam and click on Open File Location. In the File Explorer window, right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Properties. Go to Compatibility tab, then check Run this program as administrator, then click Apply and OK. Restart Steam and try launching or updating your game again. If you're still getting the disk write error, try the second method. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Then select Settings, go to Downloads tab and clear Download Cache. Confirm the action and sign back into Steam if prompted. Next, open the Storage section in Steam Settings. Click the three-dot menu next to your Steam library folder and choose Repair Library. Wait for the repair process to finish, then restart Steam and check if the error has been resolved. If the issues still persist, make sure that Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2015 to 2022 packages are installed on your computer. If they are already installed, run the installer again and choose Repair, then restart your PC. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.